Hello everyone, today I'm going to review a new version of Simple Three-Way Solver version v1.02.1. In the new version we added the functionality of bulk calculations. So to perform bulk calculation you need first to build a tree. You set board, stacks, bed sizings, then apply these parameters to generate tree. Here you specify ranges and then you could click add job. Here you specify the name of the file and it will be added in the input folder. This folder is placed in the folder where Simple Three-Way is installed. Here it is, input. And if you want to add not only one board, if you want to add many boards with the same tree, you need to go to the button generate boards, which is placed inside save tree button. Here you could generate, for example, a random number of boards. Let's specify 10. Here you will get 10 flops, or you could paste the subset which covers most different flops, for example 184. Then you click save and these boards will stored in the input folder too. After you generate boards, you go to the menu Standalone jobs. Here you specify folder input where solver will take files to calculate. Here it is. Then you specify output folder where solver will put solved files, and also you specify error folder where solver will put files that were not solved because of the error. You will be able to find the log with errors in the input folder. It will have name log.txt. You will need to specify calculate settings. For the bulk of calculations you need to specify which algorithm you use, which accuracy you're gonna use, and other default calculate parameters that you also specify for every calculation. Then you click run calculate and solver will solve each board one after another. You could also click stop if you need to finish the process, and then you could return back, click again run calculate, and solver will start from to continue the process of calculation from the board where you stopped before. The next update, now it is possible to use Monte Carlo algorithms on the turns ESCFR and CSCFR. These approaches allows to perform calculations on turns very fast. Let's look how it works. Let's go to some solved spot on the flop. Let's go to the turn. Let's choose turn run out. We have chosen ESCFR for turn. We click calculate turn, and it was solved in 2 seconds, very fast. Using this approach you can't finish distance, however this approach should be quite accurate on turn. Also, in previous versions our solver didn't support more than 64 threads because Windows split threads into groups if processor or processors have more than 64 threads. And now, using Monte Carlo algorithms, you could overcome this limitation. You could use all threads that have your PC. Also, we have added dark theme for the solver. Click dark. You need to restart application, and now it is switched to the dark mode. That is how it looks like. I recommend to change default settings for colors of actions. Let's look how it looks like. I chosen these colors. For example, to switch to default color of fault, you need to right click on it. It is red, but you could switch it to some rose color. So you could choose some custom color which you like, and it will be changed. You need to left click on the color to go to the color picker. Next, we also added an option to change the scale of the program. It is recommended to use it for larger displays. You could also change font settings. For example, let it be bold. Let's return it back. You could change the style of the font, the size. Also, now in the menu of sizings, if delete dongbed option is not activated, you could specify sizes of dongbeds, and it will be applied in your tree. Let's look how it works. For example, here we have this tree. Check bet call, choosing turn card. Let's change the size of dongbed for player 1. Let it be to a third of pot. Now it is 8 and 8. We could choose 3/4 of pot. It is 9.9. Also, we added the support of the formats of PIO and PPT format from Monker. You could, here is PIO format, you could copy it, go to range, click paste, and here it will be pasted. And we fixed other bugs from previous versions. That is all new features of new version. Feel free to ask questions about the program in comments and join our Discord. The link will be under this video. Thanks for your attention.